These days, we're always on the go and living in a connected world. That means we constantly need to have our smartphone charged and on the ready. Nothing is worse than dealing with the anxiety you get when you realize your phone's battery has just a few minutes of life left. The good news is, there are literally dozens of car chargers available for USB devices. Most of these are extremely easy solutions, using your cigarette lighter receptacle for power. From there, you just connect the USB cable you need to your device and get a charge while on the road or sitting in traffic. In addition, if you're a ride-share driver, you'll want to invest in one of these to keep your passengers happy. Nothing gets you a 5-star rating quicker than having a car charger ready to go, so your passengers can charge their phones while riding with you. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best car chargers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Anker Dual USB Car Charger. Anker is one of the leading brands when it comes to manufacturing chargers, so it should come as no surprise that their 24W Dual USB charger is one of the highest quality car chargers available on the market. It features an advanced charging technology with power and voltage boost that provides one of the fastest charging. It can easily charge up to 4.8 amperes per port, and there are 2 ports. The dual port allows you to charge multiple devices at the same time. In addition to that, it embraces a certified multi-protect safety system that ensures complete protection for you while charging. Thus, no need to fear any surges, shorts, etc. The USB charger is small in size, and features an LED light that blinks for you to know where to put the cord in. It is available in 2 colors, black and white. This charger is compatible with a host of different devices including the Apple, MacBook, tablets, and Android smartphones, as well as various other USB chargeable devices. It can easily recharge a MacBook in 5 hours. Number 2. AINOPE Compact Car Charger. If you prefer something extremely compact, this all-metal car charger from AINOPE fits the bill. Available in black, red, or silver if you wish to match your other interior accessories. This recommendation is a dual USB device charger, offering 2.4A in each port. Unfortunately, it doesn't support Qualcomm Quick Charge, but it will still charge faster than standard 1A and 2.1A chargers. Inside the charger are LED lights, making it easier to plug in your devices in the dark. The exterior body is constructed from zinc alloy, making it extremely scratch-resistant and durable. Safety features on this charger include overcurrent, overcharging, overheating, and high-temperature protection. Number 3. Anker Quick Charge 3.0 39W Dual USB Car Charger. The Anker 39W Quick Charger is perfect for charging 2 devices at the same time at high speeds. It features a Quick Charge 3.0, which is much more efficient than the MaxBoost 2.0 Quick Charge. To be exact, it can charge up to 80% faster than your regular charger. However, this is only applicable to those devices that are Quick Charge compatible. Non-Quick Charge devices use the power and the voltage boost technologies to charge quickly. The dual USB ports allow you to use multiple devices at the same time. The dual ports pump out a combined 39W of power, enough to supercharge the heaviest of devices. The Anker Dual USB Car Charger features a compact and small build that is not intrusive in the car. This ensures maximum convenience for the driver. The carbon fiber mesh on top allows for added durability and ensures a long life of the charger. Number 4. Amazon Basics USB-C Car Charger. If you have a USB Type-C device and want a seamless charger, consider this option from Amazon Basics. This charger is available with an included cable for quick and seamless integration, or you can save a few bucks and get an option without a cable. It also has a built-in USB-A port for other devices for more versatility. The Type-C port is rated at 18W, while the USB-A port is rated at 12 watts. This charger is able to deliver an 80% charge in just 35 minutes for USB Type-C devices, helping you quickly get your phone's battery to a better state during your. This charger is able to deliver an 80% charge in just 35 minutes for USB Type-C devices, helping you quickly get your phone's battery to a better state during your commute. It also features an automatic stop function that will detect overcharging or lower overvoltage. Number 5. Nekteck USB Type-C Car Charger. The Nekteck USB car charger features a superior USB 3.1C cable with an innovative C-type connector that is fully reversible. No more fumbling around trying to get the cable in your phone. The premium attached USB-C 3.1 cable features a next-generation Type-C connector with a new design that is fully reversible. This allows you to plug in without fail, regardless of how you are holding and inserting the cable. Thus, you can concentrate more on driving and less on trying to get your phone charged. Another great add-on is a USB-A port to help you charge those non-USB-C devices at a faster speed at 5.4A. The smart sensing technology helps each port identify the device inserted accurately and then to maximize the charging speed. The charger is fully compatible with tablets and smartphones of all kinds. The charger is constructed out of fireproof materials and includes an anti-oxidation aluminum pull tab. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.